Hello. Thank you, everyone.
Hello from me.
Today, we want to present to you an opportunity that we have been working on and passionate about for many years. That's exactly online trading in platforms, specifically on platforms like Amazon and Kaufland, in which we specialize. First, let's say a few words about ourselves because many of you do not know us.
We became merchants on Amazon. We first turned to this marketplace back in 2015 because we were looking for selling options, a common thing across the world. And what better option is there than using the behemoth company like Amazon or a partner to use the franchise model in which they have built the entire business and to use the entire infrastructure to offer your goods. Main markets we are focused on are USA, Canada, European market, and Australia. And gradually, with the problems and successes we had with our products and brands, and that's how our other service was born, which we offer. This is our marketplace consulting agency where we help businesses, manufacturers, and retailers, and they should start selling on these platforms using the scale that Amazon has in other marketplaces. And the most important thing is to avoid the mistakes that we have made.
You have an envelope that says AMZ Genesis. Inside, there is a card that you can use to start the presentation and see a few numbers, because the numbers are so impressive. No matter how many times I repeat them, they simply do not have that visualization. You can also sign up for a free consultation, as a significant number of businesses make mistakes, to start the process on these platforms independently and then reach out to us when they have a significant set of issues. And this is usually not resolved easily. Typically, in these platforms, this is almost a final diagnosis, meaning you have a huge problem and we need to completely change your performance there. This is not the right legal approach for this action. We sell products on these platforms ourselves. I have been doing it since my student years, since 2003. So I have a lot of experience on eBay, where I have a gold account. I do not know if any of you know what this means, but this is an account that can control and delete dishonest practices on this platform. In other words, it gives me a lot of great advantages, and I have developed it over the years. We have been selling on Amazon with FBA for about 7 years.
Actually 9.
The time has passed. We haven't noticed.
Time passes quickly. Over the years, we have encountered various products, starting with sports goods, fashion accessories, clothing, different children's toys, dietary supplements, perfumes, cosmetics. So we have experience with a variety of products in various product niches. Can you explain the advantage of using Amazon and their program for shipping goods?
So when we talk about Amazon, we are talking about a superbly built, easy to start working channel. It is easy because Amazon gives you an incredible advantage. You are not dealing with logistics. You also do not deal with customer inquiries as well. We have our own products with around 5,000 sales made in the United States. And we have no more than 3 questions from customers per month. This is absolutely nothing. Anyone can run such a business. When you have an online store, things are quite different. The advantage of Amazon is that you can send goods to their warehouses. The goods should be stored and sent when ordered, and you don't even bother with this process. You simply track the movement of goods and the movement of money. And this happens completely automatically. Questions like, where is my item? The product is damaged. I want to return it. I want to exchange it. The Amazon customer support team answers all of these questions. This solves a huge process, building processes in your business, and actually gives you incredible freedom. You can easily add a second, third, or fifth product. If you fulfill orders outside of the Amazon platform, you encounter a much greater difficulty. First, let's mention a few numbers about the platform. Amazon has a turnover of $570 billion last year. I don't know if we can imagine what that means. This is something equivalent to the gross domestic product of most Balkan countries. One website is more than an entire geographic territory. This is immeasurable. It is not by chance that we direct our efforts to verify the product's potential on this platform, as globally 52% of online sales are conducted on the Amazon platform. So if you're not selling on Amazon, you're practically non-existent. And actually, if you want to test the potential of a product, this is the right platform. Google gives you information on whether someone is searching for your product, but it cannot tell you if someone is buying it. Whereas Amazon is built entirely on the search and buy principle, 73% of the searches on this platform result in a purchase. People don't go to Amazon to watch TVs, whether they are smart or what are the technical specifications. People enter only with the intention of buying something. This is an incredible potential that must be utilized in the right way, because if we think that our ad is enough to just be placed as an ad on this platform, it is completely outdated. It might have been an incredible fact 10 years ago, but things are no longer the same now. We have a specific technology that allows us to destroy any product. The top positions on Amazon, it's a matter of value. Does your product have the necessary margin? Is this business worth it? Can we move him to first position? In first place, reaching the C-level and the resources for it, rational thinking is the key to foresee your business.
Another advantage when selling on Amazon, besides making sales, is that your brand reach to all customers worldwide becomes much easier. As Angel says, many people enter Amazon to search for something. Amazon is recognized as one of the largest search engines. Of course, it's not a competitor to Google, but still one of the biggest in the world. And when your brand is present on Amazon, some customers search for your brand on Google. In 99% of cases, your ad on Amazon will rank higher in auctions than your words on a website. So, branding and popularity of your product worldwide, presence on Amazon is a must.
Usually, brands, at least in Bulgaria, do not have a long-term vision just to reach sales and profit. In these platforms, this is impossible. I'm telling you now so you know, you can't have an ad and talk about profit 2 months later. This is simply absurd. Those businesses that have reached the first position, the first page on Amazon, are million-dollar businesses. If you want to have such a business, you need to allocate the necessary time. The usual normal strategy for positioning your brand is 6 months or more. This means the first 6 months are dedicated solely to positioning. Acquire the necessary positive reviews to rank well for keywords. Because this platform does not rank you by the beauty of your product or the price. List any product you want as a new ad and set the price at €2. Won't sell anything or have sporadic sales because you'll be on the 26th page. When you reach the first page, you can sell even at a price higher than you ever thought of selling. Everyone is looking at your product and there is enormous purchasing power. When we work with brands, we create a free presentation and strategy for them on how they can reach and achieve their goals within a certain time frame. This is crucial to understand. Otherwise, the efforts are just marketing, advertising, with zero results. This platform has the unique capability to make any product a million and any brand with 1,000 products absolutely unsellable. We have such cases with major Bulgarian merchants who had 1,000 listings on Amazon and 2 monthly sales. I will tell you why this advertisement is not ranked at all. Not all of their 1,000 listings are ranked, but Amazon does not favor merchants who do not sell. It's like, how can I say, having a broker who has no results and keeping him for a year? You should teach him, he does nothing. Therefore, the person might not be doing the job, or we have not trained him very well.
Regarding ranking, very few of us, when searching on Google, they reach the second and third page to read some information. Similarly, 80% of sales in a specific category or keyword. When searching for a client on Amazon, it appears at the top of the first page of the search results. So, if you are not present on the top first page, the chance of selling is almost zero. This is so important. The ranking and the long-term ranking. There is a difference if we launch our own online store or sell directly. Through some kind of Facebook funnel, where we run ads accordingly, social network, sales are happening, stopping the advertisement. The funnel is no longer visible, we don't have any sales. While at Amazon, we advertise in order to begin. Let's rank ourselves by the keywords. And at one point where we have established good positions and can now reduce the advertising, and sales are already happening thanks to our organic ranking, because customers have visibility of our advertisement.
I want to give an example because everyone usually thinks of some very cool products to sell on this platform and how to tell you the platform has 530 million products. That is, uniqueness is not sought for your product. Marketing is the most important thing to remember and act on. One of our first clients with whom we have grown as an agency, they have been our friends for a long time. Of course, they are a Bulgarian company that sells umbrellas. Will you tell me how much one umbrella can make in sales? Just over $500,000 turnover per month on Amazon, and that in Europe. When we opened the markets in the United States and in Singapore, their turnover increased by around 30% within 2 months. So imagine what product can tighten that. No problem. I can tell you that they will most likely reach their destination. In the next 1 to 2 years, the turnover per month could possibly reach up to $1 million. And this is a Bulgarian company. There is no indication of your location. There is no indication of where you want to sell. Absolutely everything is possible with this platform. We ourselves, I have actually never been to the States, nor to UK, not in Singapore. I lived in Germany for 14 years, but I have business in the United States and a company in the UK. So for me, it's no problem to move that far. I have sales where they want. This is the freedom of these platforms. And at the same time, with Amazon's platform, we wanted to tell you that there is the same type of platform in Europe. This is the platform of Kaufland, to those to whom we have also licensed to the agency, all associate. Kaufland with physical stores, yes. Kaufland started developing their online platform and currently very strong in Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, open 2 more markets each year. They are opening a new market, so there are plenty of opportunities. The working principle is almost the same with a few differences, but each of these platforms faces stiff competition. And in order to succeed correct, you need to conduct your preliminary research in the most accurate way. To all members and friends of the Bulgarian entrepreneurs, we offer a free consultation because we know that this will help you save in this jungle, social networks, platforms. We will also give you the opportunity to decide if your product is worth it. Because we don't need to have customers with products, those without perspective or without a plan. We want you to sell. If you don't sell anything, you are not our customers. What use are such customers to us? So we will provide you with the necessary know-how to advise you in the initial stage whether this is a business or not a business. If we want to pursue a hobby, people often make this error. They have some fixed idea about the product. He is really cool. They need an incredible resource to develop it. Some total detail, but he has no potential. Doesn't have the place there. If you just want to be present, yes, but it just wouldn't develop, and that will tell you quite frankly, believe me, because of the long-term perspective. At work, the most important thing in our field.
Yes, the most important thing is that we do not want to sell illusions for customers, which is principle number 1 in our work from the very beginning. Because we ourselves are sellers on Amazon, we know what they are: opportunities, problems, and limitations for specific types, products, and categories. And we are sincerely involved with our clients when we consult on various businesses.
Thank you.